Hello there. Today it is a little bit of a different episode. What are we doing today?
We're doing a house tour in the boatyard.
As you're used to seeing, we're always on at the top of the deck, so we thought you might wonder what it's like on the inside. So we're going to take you for a little tour. This is where we currently are. Instead of being surrounded by beautiful blue water, we have tons of boats and trees, which is a very strange environment to be in. As you are very familiar, I am standing right now in our centre cockpit. This is what it looks like. It's a little bit of a mess. Definitely needs a clean. We had some water last night. So here we go. We go down the stairs. A little bit steep, but that's what they are on boats apparently. So we'll start in the cabin. This is our navigator's table. It's pretty strange. Haven't used it for anything.
There's all the maps that we don't have.
And I can quite easily say that everything in here is completely unused. This is our navigation table and we have a seat here. I don't think anyone's actually sat on the seat yet. Have you sat there?
No.
So that's probably going to be removed, I would say. But these are all of our switches. So it's very ancient looking. Not sure what we're going to do with all of this yet. But so we've got autopilot, depth, fresh water, the helm, cockpit, powers and the deck wash. We've got the TV for the other room and you kind of get the point. This is how we turn on the engine.
And this is Danny's dungeon.
This is where I put Danny when he's off.
There's the famous sticker wall. No one gets to see. So right now it's currently really messy. The inverter's on. Just turn that off. There's our engine. We have a 200 litre fuel tank and this is our battery system. 450 amps of battery power. Yeah, we've got a little fan up here. It gets hot. And then our inverter. Lots of cleaning needs to be done while we're on the hard stand. And then we have an old fridge without a latch we need to change. And a shoe cupboard.
This is probably the tidiest that it's been for a long time.
Here is our pantry. About as empty as can be.
The middle one, we've just got our board games and our books. So we've got Monopoly Australia, we've got chess, first aid kit. What else have we got in here?
Books.
Some books.
And
our favourite one, 100 Magic Miles of the Great Barrier Reef.
This is our extra food cupboard, which usually has not everyday food stuff. Like flour, I don't know,
pasta, gin,
random shit.
Protein.
Don't even know what's in here. This is our sliding table. I don't actually know what's in here. Oh wait, I should know that. I do. This is all of our safety gear.
Oh.
So for everyone saying we don't have the proper safety gear, you know what this is? This is a safety harness. Do you know what this one is? This is also a safety harness. And do you know what this is? Believe it or not, this is a life jacket. We do have them. This
is probably I think this is the coolest thing about our boat. This is the plaque of all of the races that have been won, which is really cool. And I also put these fairy lights around just to make it look really cool.
So heaps of storage.
We're going to redo the cushions, I think. We're probably going to change them to khaki and make them nice and new.
This is our dive compressor. So we can go diving and clean the hull. We have more storage we haven't used yet. More storage that we haven't organised.
When we bought the boat, we kind of just put all of our stuff in. We gave it a probably minimal clean, which is a little bit gross. But we need to try and make everything a little bit cleaner. So we're going to completely vinyl all of the cupboards. A lot of things to be done, as you can probably see. That's probably why we've kind of avoided the inside of the boat, but may as well give you a tour before, so you can actually see what work we've done, and then you'll be able to see the improvement eventually when we finished it.
Couldn't believe it. Got more storage.
Very mouldy under there.
This is our fridge full of beers.
Woohoo!
Fridge does not work, so we're going to cut that out and put a modern fridge in there. And you know what's in here? Nothing.
It was a fridge as well, but obviously they don't work. I also really don't understand how they do work.
Here's our,
apparently they did.
Here's our wine rack with some olive oil.
This is how we know port side, because it's got some red wine, kind of like port. Not exactly. That's how I remember anyway.
Bowls and plates.
Gross oven.
And then this. Ugh. We did do an upgrade. Just horrible. There's our spice cupboard. Also a little bit out of place.
I think everything just needs a very, very big clean, I would say. And our flags, look at the flags. We got those in Nepal when we climbed to Everest Base Camp.
And in here is the mess box, as all you sailors would know. Pots, pans, everything. This is our cleaning cupboard.
This is our TV room because we have a TV. Hi, my name's Terry.
So this is the other bed, and this is our TV, which is so great to watch movies on. This is the rage cupboard.
To make room for the TV, Danny moved this mirror from here, as you can see that line, to here. And the shelf also appeared. I don't know where that came from or how that got there, but that changed too.
Oh, here, fishing rod storage, beer gun, more fishing rods. It's currently a little bit of a mess. But there's our vacuum cleaner. Another fan. Fans are very important. Another fan is, and here, a little bit of work in progress. More storage under it. Lots more storage.
This is my least favourite room. Makes me feel sick actually just looking at it. Toilet, yuck. Some sort of mess going on over there, yuck also. That is the seacock. Needs to be prettier. This absolute mess. Look at that sink. It's been in there since 1972. And the front,
Well,
also an absolute mess.
one water tank. Under this part of the bed, we have another water tank. And then, you would not believe it, we have our final third water tank. 470 litres fresh water.
They do need a clean though. We only use the metal tank at the moment because we need to re-clean, well, we need to clean the other 2 water bladders because they haven't been cleaned and we haven't used them. And I think we might have used them once and then it tasted really gross. Was that right?
With me.
Oh, that's the problem with centre cockpits.
This is Scary Alley, so don't be too scared. I thought we should rename this Tazzie's Scary Alley because this is where Tazzie's den is.
Disgusting. I absolutely really don't like this room. But
It's a hallway.
yeah, it is a hallway. We're gonna make it white. You know what? This is probably the longest I've actually spent in this room. But we're gonna make it white everywhere. Get rid of this gross carpet. It makes me feel sick. So we're gonna get some spotlights to make it a bit nicer. Do you agree? Make Tazzie's room a little bit nicer. Maybe we can get her some wall art.
The fans on. This is the bedroom. The master bedroom. Actually quite a massive bed. Double bed, but then you got this extra bit here. And this also needs a little bit of renovations.
I feel like I'm in a hospital with this window, which you can open. And then obviously our fairy lights, which are solar lit, come on every night. So when you're sleeping here, you can just see them and it's really pretty. It's like you're looking at the stars.
The cupboards are going to get dividers and curtains.
This clock I like though. I do like that. And I think I might actually change that for the one that's in next to the plaques because I think that one's actually quite cool.
But we knew when we got the boat, we wanted to do some renovations. We are quite excited about it because we can make it our own.
This is why we got this boat as well, not because of the room, but we got it because we looked at some other boats and they were smaller. They were probably, well, I wouldn't say nicer, but I would say didn't need so much work on the inside because we saw this boat and it was the size that we wanted and it was just really nice on the top as well. The things that we can't change basically want it for us. I'm gonna change it and it's gonna look beautiful.
So this is the tour. Before we do the renovations, we'll check back in with you when we have done the renovations and show you the transformation.
I think it's going to take a long time and it's probably going to take a lot of money, I can imagine. We'll get there and it will look beautiful and it will be a palace. Gross plug cord, charger cord, and we've got some cables. Don't really know what they're for.
This is the bonnet, as some would say, to our engine.
Solar Stream, game changer, but also needs a permanent place.
That is our engine.
Wow.
Big boy. We don't want to look at that.
And it currently has an oil leak, so that is something else that we've got to fix, as if we don't have enough already.
This is our solar charger, also in a really ugly spot. And this is our second TV.
This is our photo wall. This is when I went to India with my mum and dad. I hadn't seen them for a year and a half because I've been in Australia for so long. So I met them in India and we were at the Taj Mahal. And that was a very, very nice holiday and it was very nice to see them again.
Welcome out to the business side of things. Dive gear, fishing gear,
Rope bag.
Sarah's dive gear, all the boat cleaning stuff, and our deck wash. Actually, look at this. This is cool as.
Does it work now?
No, we're not connecting the salt water. This is our deck wash.
Salt water connected so we don't waste our fresh water. This is where we sit usually. Our seats have been evacuated because it's not there anymore. And these are our lights which also look a little bit of a mess.
Okay. This is our child box because we're not tall enough. And this has got lots of ropes in it.
Don't actually know what we're going to use those for, but I'm sure they'll come in handy one day.
This is the part where we run around with Tazzy. We do laps.
Where is she at the moment? This is Danny's car with the bonnet open. This is the rooftop tent, and there she is. This is the boat out of the water because it's looking very strange because it's not got water around her.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 solar panels we have, and we're going to have 12 once we're done our renovations. We're going to double our battery power. This is our box. This will be our fishing box, and this will go on our renovations. And we are going to take all of this off and build a massive, sick, fully sickness davit system. We'll have solar panels on it. Hopefully we can put some surfboards and some fishing rod holders on it. We'll have our Starlink mounted to it, and we will be able to winch our boat up here because currently we can't.
When we got here I saw that they've got those really cool seats on their davits, so that is something that we're going to try and get because I think that would be cool.
This is our gas bottle, guys. A 9 kilo gas bottle. That's it.
This is going to be a seat and we're going to have the barbecue here. I think that's probably one of the most important things. And everything just needs a little bit of a scrub. That is our boat as it is. That is Soluna as she stands on the hard stand. So we've got a lot of work to do, haven't we?
Yes, we have lots. So that is the before, which I know it's not probably all the prettiest boat, but we like fixing things and we like renovating things. That's our thing to do. So we're going to do that and we're going to show you what we can do.